Trolling isn't about what you say or even how you say it. Trolling is more about social engineering and using your quick wit to make people cry, laugh, or even rage out. While a quick wit and creative mind are useful tools for doing this, to do it with a true troll flair, you want to make sure you have all the tools to beat the system. Today's lesson I will teach you how to shield yourself on Meet Me, Scout, and Tagged. You will be able to say banned words and phrases, make fancy names, and who knows what other shenanigans you could get up to. The possibilities are endless. You just have to use your mind and your creativity. How do you do all of that, you ask? Well, it's really simple. First, you're going to open your web browser, go to Google and search AC Market Download. Pop up that first link, hit download now, select where you want to save the file. It's going to go ahead and download it, you open it, and it's going to ask you if you want to install it. Now, I've already got it installed, so I don't need to. But you'll have to hit the install button and then verify with your phone that you want to install it, because it's not a registered app with Google Play, so your phone's going to recommend that it doesn't install it because Google can't check to see if there are viruses in it. So, once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it up. Go in here and search for FancyKey. Pull up your keyboard, hit the download button here, and it's going to pop a download up there. And you can go up there and see the progress of your download. Now, while we wait for that to download, we're going to go ahead and come over here and check out some of the fonts that we have available for FancyKey. All of these fonts are available to be used on Meet Me, Scout, and Tagged. You can use all of them in the chat and to create your name or any fancy tags that you want. All right, let's go ahead and install that. And once it installs, it should open up automatically, and we can go through the permission settings to enable permissions. So open, enable FancyKey keyboard, glad to hear it. And if you have a Samsung, it's as simple as clicking that button, hitting OK, and hitting OK again. Now we're going to switch to our FancyKey keyboard, which is just like that. It'll pop open the app because we haven't been in here yet. So if you go to Mine, you can use the official theme and just click Set. It's going to pop up. You can see how it looks. Now you can customize your keyboard to look like whatever you want. So take your time, play with the app, see how it works. But for the purposes of this, as you go ahead and type here, you can see it's just regular font. So how do you change the font? You just click the F, go to Cool Fonts, and Compact is my preferred. So now, as you can see, it is a slightly different font. It looks very similar, which is why I like it. It's easy to read, no problems. But if the streamer's not paying attention, it looks the same to them. However, you can say things like moose knuckle, tongue punch, and all those other naughty words that you would normally catch a ban for. So it's really quite fantastic. The app is marvelous in the way that it works. Go ahead and check it out, test it, and see how you like it. Also, while we're talking about it, let's go ahead and open this guy back up. You can also switch easily in between apps. Me, I don't like to use this keyboard all the time. So I can really quick switch back to my regular keyboard that I'm comfortable with, that I'm used to. But if I want to activate my shield, it's that quick. And doing that is really easy. See, all you got to do is go into your settings. And let's go all the way down here to General. Where's that at? There it is, General Management. Open that guy up. Go to Language and Input. And Show Keyboard button. It's a button right there. You just push that and there you go. So now you have one of the key resources to trolling on Meet Me, Scout, and Tagged. While I encourage you to have fun, please be responsible. Like a gun, this is a tool that, if used irresponsibly, will hurt people. Make an impression on your audience. Leave a lasting memory, regardless of your intent. Just please, be responsible.